This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com. Oh, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with the Pump Station and Nursery and Infant Toddler Youth. And we're going to show you how to do a rear-facing lap and shoulder belt installation with the Britax Poplar. Now remember, before you use your car seat, be sure to read the manual so that way you know how your car seat works and how to make all the adjustments. Now on the side of the car seat, everything is color-coded. There's green for front-facing and blue for rear-facing. We're going to use the blue. Now before we attach anything, we have to make sure the angle's in the right position. If you look on both sides of the car seat, there is a leveling device and there's a white ball. When the car seat, you need to make sure your car is on a flat surface, and when the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat, the bubble has to be somewhere in the blue squares. So you do have some recline options. Right now, the ball is completely off the blue, so this is not safe for rear facing. So near the front of the car seat, there is a gray trigger. If you squeeze that trigger, you're able to change the angle of the seat. So you can change it wherever you want, as long as the white ball is in the blue range. Now for the seat belt. Britax has a very easy click tight device. If you look on the front of the car seat, there's a little engraving in the fabric. It says click tight. You're going to move the fabric out of the way, and right underneath here, you're going to see two gray buttons with arrows pointed to each other. You're going to squeeze the buttons together. That's going to unlock the installation door and open it. And now we're able to feed our seatbelt through. So because we're doing rear facing, we need to make sure the seatbelt goes through the two blue arrows. I'm going to grab my lap and shoulder belt. I'm going to push them together. And on this side, I'm going to make sure they're going through the two blue belt paths for rear facing. We're going to go under the installation door. And on the other side, same thing. We're going to go through the blue. And then I'm going to buckle in. Once the seatbelt is buckled in, we can start to tighten it. I'm going to lean on the car seat and I'm going to slowly rock the chair from side to side as I'm tightening it. And what that's doing is that's just pushing the car seat into the vehicle seat. Now, the great thing about this installation is you don't have to tighten it too much. When you're done tightening, you're going to close the installation door. You're going to push it all the way down until it clicks. That clicking sound will let you know that everything is locked in place. The way to know this is snug enough is with one hand, you're going to grab it from either side, grab it as close to the blue as possible. And as long as the car seat does not slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know it's tight enough. Never check the car seat from the back. That part's going to move no matter what. That's just where crash force is released. When you close this door, make sure that the loosening and tightening strap isn't stuck inside the installation door, because if it is, you will not be able to loosen and tighten it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.